The legend and history of the origin of the Sasak tribe. The Sasak tribe is the indigenous and majority ethnic group on the island of Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara. They have a rich history and tradition that have been passed down from generation to generation. There are several the stories about the origin of the name Sasak. The first theory suggests that the name derives from the word Sah, meaning to go, and Saka meaning ancestor. In this sense, Sasak means to go the land of the ancestor. The ancestor of the Sasak people are believed to have originated from the Islam of Java. A belief supported by the similarities and script used by both ethnic groups. The journey to Lombok was made using canoes as their primary means of transport. Upon arriving on Lombok, they brought on not only their culture and tradition from their homeland, but also a spirit of adaptation and assimilation with their new environment. Some beliefs also hold that the Sasak tribe emerged from a mixture between the native inhabitants of Lombok and migrants from Java. This process of assimilation created a society rich in culture and tradition, blending elements of both groups into daily life. Javanese influence is clearly visible in various aspects of Sasak culture, from language and art to custom and rituals. However, the Sasak people have also successfully preserved their unique identity, creating a beautiful harmony between ancestral heritage and local innovation. The Sasak have inhabited the island of Lombok since around 4,000. Their way of life at the time was deeply rooted in tradition passed down through generations. The life very traditional, utilizing the natural resources around to meet their daily needs. One of the most well-known and unique traditions of the Sasak is the marriage. This is ritual involves the groom to be kidnapping the bride-to-be and taking her to an undisclosed location for 3 days without her parents' knowledge. This is not considered a criminal act, but rather a cultural ritual full of symbolic meaning. The marriage process began when the couple has agreed to marry. They meet at predetermined location, unbeknownst to the woman's parents. From the bride-to-be is taken to the groom's family home or another safe place for 1 to 3 days. During this period, she is hidden from her parents, creating a sense of mystery and tension unique to the tradition. After 3 days, the bride's parents are informed of her whereabouts. They then come to redeem their daughter and continue marriage discussion. This stage is called Besejati, where the groom's family formally notifies the bride family of the situation. This step must be done promptly to prevent the bride family from worrying or searching for her. Another well-known tradition is Prisian, a combat sport between two Sasak men resembling a gladiator-style duel. It is not merely a show of strength but also holds significant cultural values. Historically, it was used as a way to select warriors during the era of the Lombok Kingdom. The Sasak people use the Sasak language for daily communication, especially in rural areas. The language has various levels of formality which are used depending on the social status of the conversation partner. The cultural system of the Sasak is even recorded in the Negara Kertagama, a historical text written by Empu Prapanca during the golden age of the Majapahit Kingdom. This text not only documents the governance and history of Majapahit, but also illustrates the kingdom's cultural influence on regions including Lombok, home of the Sasak. Majapahit influence on the Sasak people can be seen in many aspects of their lives, from custom and ritual to social structures, and clearly is the mention of the Sasak name in Negara Kertagama, indicating that Lombok and these people were part of Majapahit domain. Sasak oral and written tradition all reflect Majapahit legacy. The Sasak script, known as Jajawen, closely resembles the Japanese script used during the Majapahit era, suggesting a strong cultural connection between the two. In fact, some ancient Sasak manuscripts directly reference Majapahit, and this impact on Sasak Majapahit influence also extends to religion. Although the Sasak people are now predominantly Muslim, many of their religious traditions still contain elements of Hindu-Buddha practice inherited from the Majapahit era. This creates a unique harmony between old and new beliefs which characterize Sasak culture. The origin story of the Sasak tribe is a narrative rich in history and tradition, from the arrival of their ancestors to the traditions still alive today. The Sasak people have successfully preserved their identity and cultural heritage.